Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here again at Treviso Bay, and today we are previewing our listing, GIAVENO Unit 1521. This is the Celiana N unit, 2-bedroom plus den, 1,408 square foot, the largest of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find here at Treviso Bay. This one is being offered turnkey furnished. Everything that you see will be included. So as we walk into the home, directly to our left is the guest bedroom. This is a 2+ den unit. And the guest bedroom here comes with a walk-in closet as well. And that just piggybacks off the guest bath here with your combination tub shower. And directly across you have a dedicated laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer, pocket door to close it all off, and a little extra storage right above. And then turning our attention across is the kitchen. Nice large kitchen, plenty of counter space, overlooks the great room area here. And then turning around, you've got a nice eating kitchen area there. Lots of light with the windows there. You have the stainless appliances, pantry closet, wood cabinets, granite countertops, crown molding in all the main areas. That's all part of this unit. Of course, everything that you see is included, from the forks, spoons, knives, to the linens, to the furniture, to the decor. Everything that you're seeing is part of this home. Now coming out into the main areas, you've got your dedicated dining space, as you can see right here, with your great room area and living space. And you have a den here, which in this particular unit is ready for your finishing touch. You can either turn it into a third bedroom, a quasi office / sleeping area. It does have 2 pocketing doors, so you can close it off and use it as a third bed if you like. Nice part about the end unit also is you have additional lighting with the extra windows being on the end. In this case, you get to see a nice little lake view out of the side, and views of the Rookery Bay Preserve directly out back. Really nice and peaceful view here at this condo. And then lastly, you do have the master suite, plenty big for a king-size bed like you see here. And again, you have more window and lighting. Now you have his and hers closets here, so right on each side. And in the bath, you've got the single sink, the commode. You've got a linen closet. And then you've got the standalone shower directly behind me here. Now that's it, folks. This is Unit 1521 GIAVENO. It does come with a full golf membership to TPC Treviso Bay. This is an awesome condo and just waiting for you, your toothbrush, and a smile. If you're interested in this condo, you can reach us direct at 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. You can also email us direct, roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. That's roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. And for all the latest, greatest information about Treviso Bay, you can visit us online at trevisobayatnaples.com. That's trevisobayatnaples.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.